Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's update our unit gold market. So actually the tactical pattern that I have discussed yesterday has been completed perfectly. So market has reached the target of the 3-drive sell that we discussed. But in the light of the recent events, it's very difficult to suggest strong drop in the gold, just because everybody right now stands awaiting for response of the Iran on an Israel attack of its embassy in Syria. Initially, it was thought that the response should come, at least by the CIA information, that should come in 48 hours. But for now, this term is coming to an end. And, well, guys, personally, I'm not an expert in these moments, but I suggest that probably Iran is a highly religious Muslim country. I suspect that they will wait until the Ramadan will be over. This is the saint month for the Muslims. And this will be over on the 9th of April, on Tuesday. On the 10th of April is a big holiday. By the scale, just for Christians, I would say that's something very close to the Easter. So not in the terms of the background, of the religious background, but in terms of the scale of the celebration. So, and that makes me think that, well, if any response will start to appear, it will happen only after this holiday, somewhere in the second half of the next week. This most nearest term. Maybe it will happen even later, because, as you understand, it has to be prepared in details. So that's just my 2 cents on the current subject. Based on the gold performance and how market reacts on a bearish patterns and the daily overbought and weekly overbought, I would suggest that's really big chances that market could reestablish upward action. I don't know whether it makes sense to take the position precisely right today, just because we're coming to the payrolls and it's holidays ahead. So in the current circumstances, during the holidays might happen anything. So, but based on the performance, I suggest that the market response to the downside might be limited with just minimum reaction that we saw on intraday charts. We will see. So currently, I just could say that on the 4-time frame chart, market hits just first level. If you remember, we talked about 2 major levels here, 22.75 and 22.40. So this conference has not been reached. The answer on whether market will keep going higher or not, we could get even today, because as you could see that 3 drive is over. The market tested the lows between the 2nd and 3rd drive. On a retail broker chart, it's not quite happened, just because this low stands slightly above this. But if you will take a look at the futures chart, you will see that has worked much better. So almost the same lows as here. So market right now stands in upward direction. And you could see currently on the gold market, we easily could recognize potential head and shoulders shape. And this particular pattern that you could use to answer on the question whether the market will start downward action or just will keep going higher. So if you will see that market is breaking it up returning back to the top of the 23, it tells us that probably we should be ready for an upward continuation. So hand shoulder shape will be broken, minimum downward reaction is down with this 3-drive pattern. The market is ready to go higher. If instead market stops here, especially if we will get some more or less strong payrolls numbers start dropping, in this case we probably could get slightly deeper, some kind of the A, B, C, top, D pattern right down to the 22.45, our next support area on the 4-day frame chart. But as you understand, both of these levels are really very small. And it's only intraday and actually can't be visible even on the daily chart. So it's just tactical intraday performance, nothing more. So that's why if you are ready to take the position for the payrolls report and keep it, and you would like to sell, this is the point that you have to make your decision. because here you could just place nearest very tight stop, because market actually stands at the top of the potential right arm. So if head and shoulder starts working, it starts working right from here. So if you're not ready, well, then just don't take position. So for a long entry, here you will have to take a bit more guarantees that head and shoulders will fail. Currently at this point, we do not see yet the signs of that. So you will have to wait a bit stronger upper continuation before to make the decision on taking the new long position. Besides, here you can see market starts flirting with the May city, and potentially it also might be the grabber to be formed here. Just keep an eye on this moment as well. If grabber will be formed, this will be just additional pattern for the bears for this intraday trading. That could confirm the short-term bearish context. That's actually all things that we have currently on the gold. Let's keep watching, and my personal opinion is that major events will happen probably on the next week.